SOFI update here on the 15th. So I did my video on Saturday. We broke out of the falling wedge, confirmed today. Yesterday we were right around in this area, 697. So we are up about 5% today, and I have the levels drawn out now. So what we're looking at is we have the 20, the 50, and the 200. We're above the 20 and the 50. So now where are we looking at? We are looking at this supply zone starting here at 744, ending at 791. And you have the 200 DMA here at 760. So if we want to be super bullish, like I stated in the last video, we need to get above the 760 level. There's also the 50 and the weekly at 775. And I definitely think it's possible. We broke out of the falling wedge. We'll have to just watch it though. That's going to be the determining factor. Can we get through this supply zone right here? And in previous videos, I had talked about the 795 level. That's basically the top of the supply zone right there. So we need to get through this 200 DMA and the 795 level. And like I've said in previous videos, as soon as we do that, it's almost guaranteed we're running right up here to this gap fill at 860. So that's what we're watching. That's also the next supply zone. Break through that, we can go up here to this supply zone at 950 all the way up here to 1012. I don't think we're probably going to get more than that based on this structure. It's possible, but it's possible we go all the way up here to 1450. But I mean, anything can happen. But we're gonna have to go through 3 supply zones, 3 daily supply zones, and you can see here on this daily we're already at 2 standard deviations. So I guess it didn't really. Standard deviations is kind of like a secondary thing. I just look at it to kind of give me an idea of how far it's ran, because you can definitely just go 2-day, and now all of a sudden we're down here. You can go 3-day, and all of a sudden we're at the bottom of the range. If it's gonna actually show. Okay, that's not. Oh yeah, here it goes. So 3-day, we're at the bottom of the range. That shows we can go all the way up to 1050. So the supply zones and the moving averages are going to be more consistent. We broke out of the falling wedge. That is confirmed today. And let's just watch those moving averages. Can we get above that 795 level we've had trouble with over and over? Since we double topped right here. We came up here a few different times and got rejected. It's a tough level. Get above that though, we're off and running. So that's my quick little update for today. We'll see what happens. I'll keep you updated here over the next couple of days. And let's see what happens going into earnings. Are we going to be able to get through the 200 DMA, or are we going to get caught up again? Right now is probably not the best time to sell covered calls, just because earnings are around the corner. I mean, I guess the IV is pretty high, but I'd be cautious here. If we do get above the 200 DMA, we're going to be running pretty hard. So anyway, that's it for this video. Leave me a comment, like, subscribe for more updates, and we'll see what happens.